The TSX has hit an all-time high now 5 days in a row, and it's looking at a year-to-date gain of about 24%. Now, providing a lift today, the price for gold was close to a 5-month high. Wall Street was mixed. Shares in Disney, a big weight on the Dow today. The media conglomerate reported earnings that missed expectations. That's the first time we've seen that since May of 2020. The company also revealed a significant slowdown for its streaming service. Shares in Rivian so far 2-0. The stock made its debut yesterday, and the valuation now sitting above $100 billion. That puts it above General Motors and Ford. And then Cineplex says its third quarter revenue was 4 times higher than a year earlier as movie audiences grew with all of its theaters open again. So that helped to narrow the loss to $33.6 million from a loss of $121.2 million a year earlier. The chief executive at Canadian Tire is confident that supply chain issues will not lead to empty store shelves. Greg Hicks says the company's supply chain is ready for the challenge, pointing out the non-perishable nature of its products gives it flexibility. Now, to cope, Canadian Tire did charter 4 ships to get its products like Christmas and winter items to Canada in time for the fourth quarter. As part of the earnings report today, the company also raised its dividend. Now, the earnings report did show a drop in Q3 profits. And beef prices are already high in Canada, but there could be more price pressures ahead. The union, representing thousands of workers at a Cargill beef plant in Alberta, have given official notice of a strike potentially starting December 6th. Now, the facility is in High River, and it's the largest in the country, accounting for roughly 40% of Canada's beef processing capacity. If the strike happens, Canadians could see a drop in packaged beef on store shelves, as well as more so-called meatflation. But a company spokesperson points out there is still time to reach a deal. In the City News Business Center, I'm Kris McCusker.